And welcome to your ASX chart of the day for Monday the 24th of July. We hope you had a great weekend. Today we are looking at construction materials producers James Hardie Industries Plc, ticker code JHX. Like most of this subsector, we are seeing some interesting price action. Let's just check out what's happening today. And see the price is just over 2% to the upside today. We had a little bit of a block around this 40.71 level. You can see it's been tested multiple times really since the middle of May, trading in between 38.35 and 40.71. You can see that breach today looks really impressive. We're actually just going to push this up a little bit because you can see back here in May last year we had a resistance here around about 41.35. That's around where it's trading right now. If we get a breach of this level, this looks very interesting. You can see on the weekly chart here, as well as last year, this is also a key level back in 2021, been support here and resistance just before that. A move above this could see plenty of upside, possibly even high as $44 or $45 in the short term. But maybe even for those who want to hold this long term, we could see this stock back up around about this $48 level. But for right now, today's action is all about a breach of 41.35.